In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Outlook calendar from the Outlook web portal and copy the secret ICS link. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Outlook web portal. Once the page loads, sign into your account using your normal login details. After you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main Outlook page and that everything has finished loading properly. This helps avoid missing menu options or clicking the wrong area too early. Next, look toward the upper right area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings menu and it gives you access to many Outlook preferences and account options. Click the gear icon to open the settings panel. Depending on your screen size, you may see a quick settings view first. From there, you'll want to continue to the area where full calendar related settings are available. Once you're in the settings area, find and select calendar. This will open the section where Outlook stores options related to how your calendar works, how it's displayed, and how it can be shared. Inside the calendar settings, look for shared calendars and click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing how your calendar is shared with other people or external services. In the shared calendars section, look for the option to publish your calendar. Publishing a calendar allows Outlook to generate a web link that can be used to view calendar information outside of Outlook. When you choose to publish, Outlook may ask you to confirm which calendar you want to share and what level of detail should be included. Make sure you review those options carefully so you only share the information you intend to make available. After you publish the calendar, Outlook will generate a link. You should see a secret ICS URL. This is the calendar subscription link, and it can be used by compatible apps and services to subscribe to your calendar feed. Carefully copy the secret ICS URL and save it somewhere secure if you'll need it later. Since it's described as a secret link, treat it as private information and only share it with trusted systems or people who need access. And that's it. You've logged into Outlook on the web using Chrome, opened the calendar settings, gone to shared calendars, published your calendar, and copied the secret ICS address. If you're recording this process for someone else, it's also a good idea to avoid showing any private account details or links on screen.